Welcome, culinary enthusiasts! Today we're mastering the velvety, classic crème brûlée. Get ready to elevate your dessert game. Subscribe now for more professional bakery secrets. First, gently heat 500 milliliters heavy cream with half a vanilla bean, scraped, to a gentle simmer, not a boil. Remove and infuse for 10 minutes. While infusing, vigorously whisk 6 large egg yolks with 100 grams granulated sugar until pale and thick, known as blanchir. Slowly stream half of the warm cream into your yolk mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs, preventing scrambling. Then combine everything. For ultimate silkiness, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a measuring cup. Pour evenly into 4 6-ounce ramekins. Place ramekins in a deep baking dish and fill with hot water halfway up the sides. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 35 minutes until just set. Like this pro tip? Hit the button. Carefully remove from the water bath, let cool, then chill completely for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, for that perfect firm texture. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Torch until golden brown and caramelized. Work quickly. Share this recipe with a fellow foodie. Behold, your perfect classic crème brûlée. Enjoy that satisfying crack. I'm your culinary instructor. Hit subscribe for more advanced techniques, like if you found this helpful, and comment below with your crème brûlée success stories.